Happy birthday, dear Grandpa Ray. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. I believe it's day 4 now. And let me tell you, it's been very eventful. Finally, I can vlog for you. I can talk. The past few days have been filled with family and friends and parties, invitations everywhere. So finally relaxing, taking a day to ourselves, heading out to the beach, which I'm really excited for. My hair may seem a little crazy, but the humidity here is literally 100%. So there's no point in it doing my hair. But yes, so just a little background. Here. So just a little background. We came to Colima, Mexico. For some of you guys who watch my videos, you know that my family is from Colima. So we came for my grandpa's 80th birthday party. So we kind of all came and we're all here. We're staying at a hotel. It's more comfortable and we don't have a lot of family here. And, I mean, we do have family in Mexico, but we just figured it would be more comfortable to stay in a hotel. So yeah, and pretty much today we are gonna go to the beach. The past 3 days we've been partying with family at birthday parties at the 80th. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog because I'm gonna be more interactive with you guys. But anyways, I'm wearing these really cute earrings with these $5 glasses, a tube top from, where's the tube top from? Cotton On, a little mesh top. I'm still in my slippers, so I don't know if you can see that, but I'm in my slippers right now. I'm wearing some jeans, but I do have my bikini under. So yeah.
For your hair?
No. Mommy, your Ultra highlighter is so cute.
Monday?
Your Ultra highlighter is so cute.
I know it is because you got it from me. And you're the best of the West.
Are you excited?
Very excited because I'm gonna go to the beach and I'm gonna have fun. No, I'm driving.
Sister, are you excited? Yeah. So excited, aren't you? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandpa Ray. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Gracias.
De nada.
Gracias, gracias.
Le trajimos un regalo las tres.
Oh, la cola de la
paloma.
De la concha. Están bonitos. Después.
Ahorita. Lo están filmando.
Ok, pues vamos a ver. ¿Qué me regalaron estas criaturas tan lindas que están? Ay, Dios. Ay. Ya no más.
Dolce & Gabbana.
Gracias.
Hey guys, so we finally made it to the beach, and I'm not sure if the lighting is off. Probably gonna talk over here, yeah. We made it. You excited, sister?
Yes, I'm very excited. But the current is really high, so we can't get in the ocean.
Yes, we can't get in the ocean. Hi. But it's beautiful. It's not your typical blue ocean, but I mean, that sounded really wrong. It's not like a Cancun type of ocean, but it's pretty. But yeah, the current's so high. Toto, say something, oh my god. Hola.
Desde Colima.
Hello, we're having a great time.
I want to move here. I want to take an early retirement.
You want to move here?
Yeah, cash out my 401k and just enjoy this every day. So, families, but I told him that us three of us can be one. So we're table 129. So when we order, say for table 129.
Okay, let's go have some drinks.
You come right in it after.
So we're going to a little store. Look how different it looks. Where are we gonna get a starfish? Because I want one. Rochelle. Starfish Rochelle. These cute little stores. La Casa. Or a seahorse. Marabuti. I want to find something cute and yellow for tequila. This one's so cute. Oh, you can even do it maybe off the shoulder.
To go to the airport.
Why do you want to go to the airport? You want to go home already?
Yeah, that's why we're going tomorrow.
What do you miss? Oh, that's what
My
you want.
city,
Your city's what?
my Norwalk.
Your Norwalk. You missed your
I
Norwalk.
said
Your city's what? Your city's what?
Norwalk.
No, your city's food. What food? What food do you miss from your city?
I miss Pup Cheeto.
You miss hot Cheetos or
No,
Cheetos?
Pup Cheeto.
Bye, bye, mordida.
Mordida, mordida. Papi, hágale así, a papi, hágale así con el cuchillo. Mordida.
Buena idea.
That's a good one.